cross product. At the series of these vectors, over 10 videos has been released. Endeavor to watch every single one of them. We are in cross product now. Help yourself. If it's in Igbo, I will say Nyero onwe gị aka. Yes. So we are in cross product. Of course, will be the last part of this video for now. You have a vector. A is equal to 3i plus 5j minus 7k. And B is equals to 2i minus 6j plus 4k. Now listen, we are in cross product. And they want you to find A cross B. This is not a Tyson vector. A cross what? B. It is not a multiplication sign. Be careful. Be very careful. Multiplication in vector is A dot B. This is not a be careful in this topic. And of course, we have to arrange it in metric form. And of course, if you have not watched our video on metric, endeavor to watch it. You can now see we have to apply the wisdom of matrix on this. From vector, we don't enter matrix. So this is I. This is I, J, K. So I will put this for the one for the A. This is 3. You have 5 and minus 7. Here you have 2, minus 6 and what? 4. You can see this is in what? Matrix. So in cross product, you must cross to what? Matrix. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, the principle of matrix. You close under I, you close this side, you close this side. So if I use this thing to cover this side, let me get two paper. So under this, if I use this to cover this side, and I cover this side, which number are you seeing? Which number are you seeing? 5 minus 7 and 6 minus 6 and 4. Remember, it's because I'm dealing the one of what? I. So everything under I will close it. Everything opposite at the back of I will close it. And now what you will see is 5 minus 7 minus 6 and what? 4. Are you seeing it? The next thing, remember in matrix, here is plus, here is minus, here is what? Plus. Then the next thing is minus j. And look at it. I'm closing this. Let me shrink the paper. So everything under J, I will cover it. And then I will cover everything opposite and the front and back of J. So what number are you seeing now? You are seeing 3 minus 7, 2 and what? 4. So this is 3 minus 7, 2 and what? 4. You bring it out. The next one is what? Plus K. Right? Now, the same thing, everything at downward K, I will cover it. At the front of K, I will cover it. What number are you seeing now? 3, 5, 2 minus 6. So, you have 3, 5, you have 2 and minus 6. So, can you see it, how I brought it out? Yes. Now, this is now a 2 by 2 matrix. Life is easier. You can now solve it and get your answer naturally. So, by here, you can now see that everything is coming out the way we want it. So, we will now start. Remember in matrix, this times this minus this times this, right? So this is I. 5 times 4 is what? 20. There is minus. 7 times 6 will give you what? 42. So because this is minus times minus, this is 42. So we'll give you minus 42 here. Minus j. This time this will give you 12. This time this will give you minus 14. So there is minus in the formula. I have minus 14. So plus k. This time this should give you minus what? 18, right? That should give you minus 18. 5 times 2 should give you minus 10. And the next thing is 20 minus 42 should give you minus 22i. Then you have minus here. So this is minus j into 12 plus what? 14. Right? Plus k into bracket minus this should give you what? Minus 28, right? So here is minus 22i minus this plus this should give you what? 12 plus 14 should give you 26 times minus we have minus 26j, right?
Yes.
Minus this time this should give you minus 28k, and that is the answer. That is the answer. And this is cross product. This is cross product. It's so easy. Endeavor to solve a lot of example on it. That should be the end of the class on this.